So I've been watching these dashcam videos, Britain's worst drivers, and as I was saying, the people that are actually sending in their clips, they show some absolutely terrible driving. One of their favourite ones that they like to show is mini roundabouts where somebody in front of them comes across them from the left instead of stopping and waiting. The fascinating aspect is most of these people speed up as they're heading towards this car that it's very obvious that it's already started coming out. Not only do they speed up, they decide not to go round the bloody mini roundabout, they go straight over it. That's one of their favourite ones. And there's generally just a lot of competitiveness. I have noticed there's a couple of things in it. One is, I've got a camera! I've got a camera! 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 I'm pointing at their fucking camera. Camera! You're on camera! Don't fucking do it. I got you on camera. Fuck me. It's unbelievable. The other bit is, it started reminding me of India. The amount of horn blowing that is going on for no bloody reason. So say I'm going along here at 50 miles an hour and a car comes out of there and they're 100 yards in front of me, fucking right up their arses, horn blowing for no reason whatsoever, because the person had every right to come out. So I do fancy doing some hangouts, you know. Do some hangouts, showing some of these videos, have some people on there critiquing the driving of some of these dashcam bad drivers. Because I think that will be quite good fun. Get a bit of a chat going, get some videos up again. Not done anything recently. Although it's warm, it's trying to fucking rain. We are on green. We are on green. We are going. Oh, there's a load of stuff about people running red lights on these things as well. Oh, because it's at amber, I'm going to say he's run a red light. There is some fucking really bad, stupid shit going on. Really bad. Which ain't clever. There's some crashes, and particularly cyclists and bikers being treated very, very badly. But one thing that I have noticed, the concept of, oh, I didn't see you, Smidsy, sorry mate, didn't see you, that does not solely apply to to motorbikes. It applies to cars as well, and in some cases it applies to bloody trucks all the time. And it seems to me that it's just an excuse, and it's something that we as bikers get hung up on. Oh, it didn't see me, Smidsied me, and whatever. Open your fucking eyes. It ain't about bikes or anything. It's about fucking lazy drivers who don't bother fucking looking at all. Or they look and they do not perceive that there is anything there. Never mind whether it's a bike or a car or a truck, they just don't perceive it. I find it fascinating. Some of this stuff is just unbelievable. There are clearly some people passing their tests who really have no right to pass their test, or they pass their test with the full intention of not giving a shit ever again about any of the rules of the road, or that passing a test is their certificate and then they don't need to do any of it anymore. They really don't need to do any of it, and that includes looking, indicating, using their necks to just turn their heads a little bit to have a look to see what's going on. They certainly don't use their mirrors. They sit in their little bubbles thinking, I got my licence, I can do anything now. I'm in my little black box, my little grey box, my little red box, my little yellow, silver, blue box. It's a couple of tons, it's made of metal, I'm safe. Well, they're fucking not. They're fucking dangerous. And they're going to get themselves and other people killed while doing it unless they learn. Bugger me, rain! Ooh, nice parking. Uh-oh, there's that car again. Good parking, pal. Yeah, I don't think he was meant to park there. Fits in with the dash cam culture that shows Britain's drivers are fucking shite a lot of the time.